The diagram shows two squares with sides of length half, inclined at an angle 2 alpha to one another. What is the value of x? So for this question, let us assume that this angle is A, this is angle B, and this is angle C. Now we can find angle A in terms of alpha because these are squares, the gray squares, that's 90 degrees. So angle A should be 360 minus 90 plus 90 plus 2 alpha. So we can write angle A equals 360 degrees minus 90 degrees plus 90 degrees plus twice of alpha, and that would equal 360 degrees minus 180 degrees minus twice of alpha. That would be 180 degrees minus twice of alpha. So that's angle A. Okay. So once we know angle A, we can find what angle B and C are, because AB, these two sides, not AB, sorry, A is the angle. So these two sides are equal, they are sides of the same square. So we can find what they are. That angle B would be angle B equals angle C, and that would equal 180 minus 180 minus twice of alpha, and that divided by 2, and that would equal 180 minus 180 is 0, 2 alpha divided by 2 equals alpha. So these two little angles B and C are alpha, and angle A is 180 minus 2 alpha. Now we will use the sine rule, we know that. So we know divided when small a, that's a side, divided by sine A equals B out of sine B equals C out of sine C. So we can say that A and the side A, they are saying, so side is x divided by sine of 180 degrees minus twice of alpha equals side B, we know, is half, whole thing divided by sine of B, and that is sine of alpha. Here B and C are same, so we'll just stick to 1, it doesn't matter. So it is half divided by sine of alpha. Now we got to work out 180 minus 2 alpha. Now we know that, we work it out here, that we know that sine of A minus B equals sine A cos B minus cos of A and sine of B. So in this case, you will have sine 180 minus twice of alpha. You're going to write as sine 180 cos of twice alpha minus cos 180 degrees and sine of twice alpha. And that would equal sine 180 is 0 and cos 180 is minus 1. So it would be minus of minus 1 times sine twice of alpha. That is sine twice alpha. So we can write this as, therefore, x out of sine twice alpha equals 1 out of 2 sine alpha. So x equals sine 2 alpha divided by 2 sine alpha. Now sine 2 alpha you can further write as that equals 2 sine alpha cos alpha divided by twice of sine alpha, and that is x. So now you can do cancellations, and the 2 and the sine alpha cancel out, and you are remaining. That means x equals 2 cos alpha. Not 2, sorry. X equals cos alpha. Sorry, x equals cos alpha. So that's the answer. So therefore the value of x is a cos alpha.